learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're teaching a phrase called "If I knew", 早知道。怎么说？
做底。
做底 ，OK， 很多事情啊，如果可以预测未来的话，就不会在那边早知道了哈。
早知道就不要了。
像说，如果天气开始下雨，有的时候会早知道不要穿什么衣服啊，什么鞋子，
对，尤其穿新鞋。
对。So let's put you in a scenario when you don't know what the weather is going to be like, and then you go out, it started to rain, and then you kind of regret. If I knew it's going to rain, I wouldn't wear my new shoes. Okay? 好 ，Oh, it's raining hard now. 下大雨了。
落太一流。
落太一流 That means it's raining really hard. 然后当然就会说，哎呀，早知道我就不要穿新布鞋了嘛哈。If I knew, I wouldn't wear my new shoes.
哎呦，做底就莫做新布鞋嘞。
做底就莫做新布鞋嘞。
不是新布鞋哦，
新布鞋哦，
是
新布做鞋嘞，
新布鞋
嘞，对不起，
哎呦，
好了，不要哎呦，然后嘞，
做地就莫做新布鞋嘞。
做地去莫做新布鞋嘞 ，OK， 新布鞋嘞，
就是新布鞋啊
，OK，
布鞋啊，
布鞋 means your shoes and 新布鞋 means your new shoes 啊，新布，我刚刚有新布进来了那种感觉，媳妇来了，结果是啊新的布鞋了哈，my new sneakers，OK，and then 当然这个时候如果真的下大雨，不想淋湿它，那就说别说了，先找地方来躲雨了嘛，对不对？别说了，先找地方躲雨。
莫讲诶，
莫讲诶 ，that means 别说了，好 ，don't say anything。
先请匕首记忆，
先请匕首记忆。OK， 先请就是先找啊，先找一个地方躲雨。记忆要有记忆吗？
记忆起来就可以躲雨了。
哦，所以记忆就是躲雨，忆就是雨嘛。那记忆 that means to avoid the rain or to hide away from the rain。
对，不要傻傻在那边淋雨。
Okay, so let's find a place to hide first away from the rain. All right, we got to review some of these terms, such as it's raining hard, 下大雨。
落太一流。
落太一流 that means big rain, heavy rain going on right now. And then your sneakers, 布鞋。
布鞋。
布鞋。And finally, to hide from the rain, 要躲雨。
记忆。
记忆。And now you know. And it's all about if I knew, 早知道啦。
做底。
做底。所以要多听 ICRT， 我们会有天气预报咯。
对。
Okay, that does for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.